Hello, welcome to episode 1 of Papa's del Bueno, the show where I show you how to make potatoes.
Episode 1, Baked Potatoes.
Some people think that baked potatoes are just potatoes that you bake.
Step 1, wash the potatoes. This is important because people can't eat dirt. Step 2, pierce the potatoes several times with a firmly held fork. If you don't pierce the firmly held fork, the fork could slip. Step 3, moisturize with olive oil. Place on a wire rack in a 450-degree oven. Be patient. Potatoes can take up to an hour to cook. While I wait to eat, I stir up my appetite with a good book. When they are done, fluff with a little butter. If you prefer your food a little spicy, you can use sour cream. Share and enjoy.
And before you know it, you got a delightful treat for a Sunday afternoon.